Hey everyone! In this episode, we're diving into the world of compact RV living, which has been gaining serious popularity lately. So today we're showing you how one of these highly sought-after campers comes together from start to finish. So sit back and enjoy as this builder cleverly utilizes available materials to bring his vision to life. Many people convert existing vans into mobile homes they can travel with. But 𝐿𝐶𝐵 takes a different path, constructing his camper entirely from the ground up using materials that are commonly available at local hardware shops. He starts by assembling the outer wall structure of the camper, ensuring insulation is included from the beginning. Softwood like pine is chosen because it's lighter compared to dense hardwood options. This weight advantage helps improve driving performance and reduces fuel consumption. Generally speaking, pine is also more affordable than hardwood varieties. Choosing wood framing significantly lowers the overall construction cost, making wood-based campers a more economical solution. He applies foam insulation throughout the structure, which is typically made from lightweight elastomeric, or polymer-based material that acts as a thermal barrier for the interior. A house wrap layer is added as a protective shield against moisture intrusion, while still allowing trapped vapor to escape from inside the walls. If moisture is allowed to accumulate within wall cavities or framing, it can lead to mold growth, structural decay, and reduced insulation performance. Before moving forward, here's a quick look at the builder behind the project. 𝐿𝐶𝐵 is a hands-on DIY creator with experience in electrical work and a growing interest in carpentry. Driven by a passion for building and fixing things, along with his technical background, he has taken on the challenge of developing his woodworking skills. From camper builds to bus modifications, his videos have attracted millions of viewers online. Follow along as he blends his enthusiasm for camping. Combining his passion for hands-on work, vehicle modification, and skilled craftsmanship into creative builds. When constructing with timber, there are several important factors that must be considered. For instance, the structure must be designed and built to remain stable and reliable. This means evaluating aspects such as weight support, balance, and overall strength. In addition to moisture concerns, wood is vulnerable to pests like termites and other insects that bore into it. Protective steps should be taken, such as applying suitable treatments to the timber, or selecting materials that naturally resist termite damage to avoid infestations. Since wood can burn easily, fire prevention must also be taken seriously. Applying fire-resistant coatings, installing proper insulation designed to resist heat, and adhering to safety standards and building regulations will improve fire protection. Ongoing care is necessary to maintain the strength and lifespan of any wooden construction. This involves regular checks, timely repairs, and the use of sealants, or finishes that shield the wood from weather damage and aging. After completing the main structure, he shifts focus to the interior work. Vinyl wall panels are easy to work with, which is why many builders prefer them. Thanks to adhesive layers or click-together designs, vinyl can be installed quickly with minimal effort. It is highly durable and holds up well against daily use and damage, making it suitable for both homes and commercial environments. Another benefit is that vinyl surfaces are simple to maintain, requiring only basic cleaning. Using a damp cloth or light cleaning solution to remove marks and dust. Wainscoting involves installing panels along the lower section of a wall, usually using wood boards or decorative paneling. This design feature enhances the look of a room by adding depth, style, and character, while also protecting walls from scratches, impacts, and everyday wear. He begins setting up a 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐭, the traditional entry space found in Japanese homes, where footwear is removed before stepping into the main living area. This practice helps keep the interior clean and shows respect for the home. He continues reinforcing the structure by adding more insulation while sealing gaps with caulk. Caulking involves filling seams or openings between surfaces, using a waterproof sealing compound to block air and moisture. A well-designed camper should include a small kitchen area with a sink, a cooking surface such as a stove, along with storage for kitchen tools, so that it remains practical for life on the road. He constructs an upper platform that can function as either a sleeping area or a table. Convertible features are essential when working with limited space. He ensures the structure is strong enough to support his full body weight. The load capacity of a hinge varies depending on its design and materials. There are multiple hinge types available, each rated for different weight limits. He continues developing the kitchen setup before transitioning to the electrical system. A full camper electrical setup is made up of several key parts that operate together to supply consistent power throughout the vehicle. These typically include battery storage, a 12-volt DC circuit, and a solar energy system, along with a 120-volt AC setup and charging capability while the vehicle is in motion. Solar panels are widely used to recharge the battery bank efficiently. Proper sizing of the solar system and correct wiring of all components ensures a dependable off-grid energy solution. To run standard household devices and charge electronics like laptops, a 120V AC supply is needed. Installing an inverter converts the 12V battery energy into usable 120V AC electricity. Linking the vehicle's alternator to the battery system while driving is an effective way to keep them charged. At this stage, the camper module is complete and ready to be mounted onto its base vehicle, a K truck. K truck, often referred to as a Japanese mini pickup, is a small utility vehicle, built to comply with Japan's K-class regulations for lightweight automobiles. These vehicles trace their roots back to early three-wheeled designs, which were originally derived from motorcycle-based platforms and gradually developed into modern versions featuring either rear-wheel or four-wheel drive systems. Their defining traits include compact dimensions and low engine capacity, along with a cab-over layout that maximizes cargo space efficiency. Although they are commonly used across Asia for tasks like farming and construction, they have also become popular in the United States for off-road use. Especially among agricultural workers and outdoor enthusiasts. Certain emergency services such as fire units, medical responders, and law enforcement. Have adopted K trucks because they are versatile, dependable, and cost-effective. With a final overview of the completed build, the video comes to an end. We hope this walkthrough has been enjoyable and sparks ideas for your own woodworking projects. Be sure to visit the creators' platform and follow along with their future builds.